Have you ever wondered, can just 10 minutes of exercise in the morning actually make a difference? I decided to find out. For 30 days straight, I committed to a 10-minute morning workout. No gym, no equipment, just a mat, my body, and a decision. Here's what happened. Like most people, I struggled with energy in the mornings. I knew I needed a change, but I also knew that long workouts weren't realistic for me. So I tried something simple, 10 minutes of movement every single day, right after I woke up. My routine wasn't complicated. I chose 5 moves I could do in a small space. This was my exact 10-minute routine. 5 exercises, 2 minutes each, no breaks. Jumping jacks, full body wake up. Can't jump? Just step it out. Bodyweight squats, glutes, legs, and a serious burn. Push-ups, started on my knees, worked up to full form. Mountain climbers, cardio plus core. This one's spicy. Plank hold. I started with 30 seconds, ended at 2 minutes. That's it, just 10 minutes, but done consistently. Week 1 was tough. My muscles were sore and I questioned if this would even work. But by day 5, I felt more awake in the mornings. By week 2, I noticed something surprising. I wasn't craving sugar like before. In week 3, my clothes started to fit better and I felt stronger. And by week 4, I didn't need motivation. The routine became automatic. I had more energy during the day and better sleep at night. What changed? I didn't just lose a little fat or tone up, although that happened too. What really changed was my mindset. Starting my day with movement gave me momentum. Instead of dragging through the day, I led it with purpose. I felt in control, physically and mentally. So, can 10 minutes a day change your life? For me, it did. Not because of how much time I spent, but because I finally showed up every day. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, this is your sign. Just commit to 10 minutes. You'll be amazed at what happens in 30 days. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments,